Hi, I'm Dave Zimmerman, and I work with executors, administrators, trustees, and estate attorneys, helping them navigate the real estate side of probate sales across Northern Virginia. One of the biggest surprises families face is just how expensive it can be to hold on to a probate property while the estate is being settled. So today, I want to talk through some of the most common costs that continue month after month while probate sales sit vacant. Well, the first thing is utilities don't stop even if no one's living in the house. Utilities usually remain active. Electricity, water, sometimes gas. Often the executor keeps these services running because the property still needs basic lighting, climate control, and occasional access for inspections and maintenance. Individually, these bills may not seem significant, but probate takes several months, which it can, and it's very common that those expenses begin to add up. And in some cases, families are surprised to find that they're spending thousands of dollars just keeping the property operational. Secondly, insurance is another area where costs can increase unexpectedly. When a homeowner passes away, the existing insurance policy may no longer fully apply. Many insurance companies require a property to be switched to a vacant home policy if the house is unoccupied. Vacant property insurance may be a little more expensive, and it can also come with additional requirements. For example, some policies require full, regular property checks and documentation that the home is being maintained. Without any proper insurance in place, there's also the risk that the claim could be denied and something could happen while the property is still vacant. Number 3 is property maintenance. Even an empty home requires regular maintenance. The lawn still grows, the leaves still fall, and winter snow still needs to be removed. And if these things are neglected, the property can begin to look abandoned. That can attract unwanted attention and sometimes even create issues with neighbors or with homeowners associations. Maintaining the property properly helps preserve the value of the estate and ensures that the home continues to show well when it's eventually on the market. Number 4, property taxes and HOA fees. Another cost that continues during probate is property taxes. Taxes don't pause simply because a property is part of an estate. In addition, if the home is located in a neighborhood with a homeowners association, those HOA dues will continue as well. Depending on the community, these fees can add hundreds of dollars per month to the cost of holding the property. Again, individually, these expenses might not seem too much and may seem manageable, but together, they can have a significant impact on the estate if the property sits for a long time. Number 5, the compounding effect. The real challenge with probate holding costs isn't just one expense. It's the combination of all the expenses, and they're all happening at the same time. Utilities, insurance, maintenance, taxes, HOA fees. Well, the longer the probate process takes, the more these costs accumulate. For families who are already navigating the emotional side of losing a loved one, these financial details can sometimes catch them off guard. Number 6, why planning matters. Well, this is why having a clear plan for probate property is so important. Understanding the timeline, preparing the property properly for sale, making informed decisions about when to sell, these can all help protect the value of the estate. In many cases, a thoughtful strategy can reduce unnecessary expenses and simplify the entire process for the entire family. So every probate situation is a little different, but the goal is always the same. Simplify the process, protect the estate, and help families move forward with confidence. If you found this helpful, there are more videos on this channel explaining how probate property sales work and how families can navigate them very successfully.